In this video I'm going to show you how to create a quiz in Google Forms. So what we will do, we will log into our Google account and then we will go to Forms. You can easily go here when you are on Google, click on the dots on the right side, scroll a little bit down and just click on the Forms logo. Now after that you will arrive here and we need to create a blank form. So we will click on that. After that you can start customizing your quiz. The first thing we need to do is go to settings and then select the option make this a quiz. Now the next step is of course to select some other options. You will see that we can select the release grade. So if people answer the questions, you can select that they will see the right answer. So they can check if they answered the questions right. Now the next step is of course to select some other options like missed questions, so you can note them, alert them that they have missed a question to answer, and also you can show them that they have correct answers. Now the points of value will mean that once they have answered a question right, they will receive points for that question. I will leave it on 1, so make it default on 1 and keep it simple for people to follow. So I will leave it on 1. After that you can go to responses and you can also select to collect email addresses. If you do this, then people can only answer your quiz with logging in to their Google account. So make sure you will do this. I will do the verified option, and after that we can also send responders a copy of their response. You can easily do this so people can read back what they have answered. And as you can see, we can select always. So after that you can also select the allow response editing. After that you can also select allow response editing. I wouldn't select this because you want to give them one chance to answer a question. This option I would select because you want to limit their response to 1, so the people can only start the quiz one time, and after they have filled in the quiz they can't do it anymore. So make sure that you select this one, and after that I will leave the rest on default. So the next option, go to questions and we start customizing our quiz. So the title will be the YouTube quiz. We will start a quiz about YouTube. So make a short description. In this quiz you will be answering questions about YouTube. Good luck. Now, the next step is of course to enter the first question. So the first question will be, when was YouTube founded? So I will paste that over here and we will give them 3 options. So the first option is 2003. Now we will add a new one, 2005, and the third one, 2007. Now once you have entered the answers, then we need to select the right answer. So go to answer key, then select the amount of points you would like to give to them. That is 1 point. And after that we need to select the right answer, and that will be 2005. As you can see, we have selected the right answer, so if people answer this question, then they will see the answer was right. So after that click on done, and now you can see the check mark, so we have selected the right answer. And now you can go to the next option. So we will add another question by clicking on the plus sign over here, and now we can select our second question. So the next question will be, which of these people is the founder of YouTube? We have entered 3 answers, and as you can see we've got Jawed Karim, Larry Page and Daniel Johnson. So now we need to mark the right answer again. So we will go again to answer key, then select the amount of points the people will receive when they answer the question right, and then select the right answer, and that will be Jawed Karim. So click on done. Now you have marked the right answer again, and we can go to the next question. So the next question will be, what was the first video ever uploaded on YouTube called? So we have 3 options again. That will be my first video. We'll create that. Then we have me at the zoo. It will be the second one. And the third one will be hello YouTube. Now again, we need to mark the right answer, so we will go to answer key, and that will be me at the zoo. So we will select that one. Now we will select the amount of points again, select 1 point, and then click on done. So the next step, of course, will be to add a new question, and that will be which YouTube channel has the most subscribers at 2025. So we will select that, and after that we will answer it in the answers. Now, once you have added the title, the question, then we can add the answers, and the first answer will be T-Series, the second one will be Cocomelon, and the third one will be Mr. Beast. And now we need to select the right answer again. So we will select the right answer, and that will be T-Series. So once you have done that, click on done. And now, as you can see, we have already created 4 questions in our quiz. So for now, I will leave it like this. Now the next step will be to go to responses, because we would like to receive our responses in an overview. So what we will do, we will go to link to sheet, and once you have clicked on that, then you can create a new spreadsheet where the answers, the responses will be displayed. So what we will do, we will call this new spreadsheet YouTube quiz responses, and then click on create. Now once you have done that, then you will see the new spreadsheet will be opened, and as you can see, we now have successfully made a response spreadsheet, and here we will have a nice overview on how many people have contested in this quiz, and we also see their score and all their answers. So that is basically how you create a response sheet, and the next step is of course to publish it. So we need to click on publish, and once you have clicked on publish, then you can also set the responders, because you can click on manage, and as you can see, we can set the perms. For now, I will leave it like this, so anyone with a link can contest in this quiz. So I will click on done, then click on publish, and now if you would like to share your quiz with people, then you can simply click on the copy responder link, and here you can copy the link. So once you have copied the link, you can share it on social media platforms, in your bio, or maybe on other places to get people to respond on your quiz. So hopefully this video was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and we would love to see you in our next tutorial. Cheers guys!